know what you're thinking. That's not a shop, that's a dump. And you know what? You're right. I've been a disorganized mess for the past 3 years. I've been climbing over projects, losing tools. It has been such a headache. And this spring, my wife said enough is enough. So we spent a whole weekend clearing out the garage and turning it into a shop. Alright, now after 3 long days of cleaning and organizing, we can actually call this a shop. Now it's by no means complete, but it sure is a good start. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more of these videos, make sure to subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.